Let us see why we get this error. The Edge runtime does not support Node.js stream module when using Nextauth and MongoDB adapter. So here is the reason why this error occurs. This happens because npm package, so in this case we are using MongoDB. So when that package is not compatible with the Edge runtime, this error occurs. And also one more condition is there. When you are using this package in Next.js middleware. Now this is very important. Next.js middleware. The reason being Next.js middleware runs under Edge runtime. There are two runtimes, Edge runtime and Node runtime. So in Next.js case, what happens is that middleware always runs on Edge runtime. So if your code is running on the Edge runtime, all the libraries packages that you want to use should be compatible with Edge runtime. But certain packages are not compatible with Edge runtime, and that's when this error comes. So in this case, MongoDB package that I was using is not compatible with Edge runtime, and since that particular code was being executed in the Next.js middleware, which runs on the Edge runtime, I was getting this error. Now, what are the solutions? The first solution is that we have to use JWT session strategy. So there are two session strategies in this Next.js authentication, JWT and database. So first solution is that you have to use JWT strategy, and along with that also you have to get rid of this MongoDB adapter. So with this setup, what happens is that you can still do the authentication using Nextauth, but your user data or session data is not stored in the database. So that is the drawback of the solution one. Only authentication is possible. You can't store the sessions on the in the database or the user accounts as well. To overcome that, we have another solution. We are still going to use the JWT strategy, but we are also going to use MongoDB adapter as well. And how we are going to use this? So they have given this guide, upgrade to v5. So Nextauth v5. Okay. So if I go to that, they have given clear instructions how you can use the JWT strategy and at the same time also use this MongoDB adapter or any other database adapter. So basically what they are telling is that we have to create this auth.config.ts and then store this providers in that file, and then in this auth.ts what you have to do is that now we can use this adapter. It can be MongoDB adapter as well or any other database adapter. And remember that strategy needs to be JWT, and that auth config, this particular export that we have done over here, needs to be imported over here. And then in the middleware, generally we use this one auth as the middleware from .auth, but instead of that we have to use these imports. So basically here what's happening is that database adapter code will not be run in the middleware. That is what this particular thing is doing, setup is doing. So just follow these steps and then you should be able to store your user accounts in the database. But remember that session strategy will always be JWT in this case. That's it. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.